This is going to be a video for my son and his grandsons, my grandsons. This is a two-part video of I'm putting a new battery in this machine, which is a lithium battery. I've never used it before, and I want to surprise my son. I have an only child. I have one son, really nice kid. You'll be able to meet him in some of the videos. But this is for all the young people out there, fathers and young sons, and everything what I've learned. Anyway, I haven't ridden a bike in about a year. Our state just put in an insurance law for bikes, and I had to insure, of course, the racing DO here, and I insured I didn't insure the gyro, and then I did insure the other one, but it's expensive to do. Once these insurance companies figure out that you have to have insurance, they screw you like you wouldn't believe. So anyway, my son's kind of depressed, lives in back east. He's coming over with his wife in a week. He just sold his Gixxer, whatever the hell that is. He's kind of depressed. So I've been thinking, as a good father, I'm thinking I'm 60 years old. It's really hard for me to ride this bike. It's a beautiful bike. 2010, 3,200 original miles, not one scratch on it. But I'm thinking about giving the bike to him. Because I remember when my father was alive and he wouldn't let me touch any of his stuff, how much that hurt me, and then when he died it was too late anyway. So that's what I'm going to do with these videos. So we'll go on with the lithium battery.